Hello everyone, this is Rutik and so day 57th of Finding Job series. So let's start our today's day. As usual, I woke up at 7. After that, I did some exercise, got ready and sat at my desk. Today, I learn about the concept known as the forms and validation. Because I am going through the HTML, CSS basics, that's why I feel forms and validation are a necessary part. So we all know forms where we declare the user inputs, etc., etc. So let me tell you what is the user inputs, like basic fields like input fields like a checkbox, radios, name, emails, phone number, etc., etc. are the user fields, user inputs we can say. And when user hit the submit button, that data was go to the browser sends that data, convert that data into the key value pair, and it's sent toward the server, and server stores it. So how server stores it and how servers get the idea what it is and what not. So when we declare the form, we have some attributes like a form attributes like methods and actions. Action like I want this API called type API register action was there, login action was there, etc., etc. And method was like a get, put, post, delete. These are the methods like I want data or I want to save data in the server. And after that, when we send the data, when we click the send, and data will go to the form. But before that, we need to validate that data. So there is a two type of a validation in forms we can say. First one is a client validation, and another one is a browser validation. In client validation, first of all, let me tell you what is validation. If I writing any email, so email should be contain @.com type system, password should be the 8 character long, like that. These are the validation, basic validation. So we need to check these on the client side and on the server side as well. So on client side we run this on the browser, and on the server side, if it is okay on the client side, then it's go to the server side, and it's runs in the backend. So these are the basic types of validation of forms. Yeah, it is a very simple concept, but yeah, we have their understanding of the forms and validation, how it's work and all. And after that, I move on to the DSA part where I learn about the questions of backtracking palindromes, like partitioning palindromes and all. And there is one question and queens was remain, so I will try to solve it tomorrow. And after that, I had my lunch. While doing this sort of task, I am also doing the vibe coding, because I'm just prompting the my engine or my agents, and it's all performing tasks on my behalf. So yeah, the project task was also going on. After that, I had my lunch, and again I reset my work. I am doing lots of project stuff. Today I set up the OpenClaw as well. So yeah, it was at first time we feel it was very difficult, because it's very hectic and we don't know the method. But I might tell you, when we set it up, it was very smooth. And yeah, then the further process was very smooth. So yeah, the first task was difficult, but after that the life is smooth. And yeah, today I applied some jobs, and as usual I did some communication practice, not with ChatGPT. I just read some books and hear some communicational podcast and try to speak in English. And yeah, that's it for today. I feel nothing else. Let's meet tomorrow. Actually, let me tell you, tomorrow and day after tomorrow in this weekend, maybe I'm not able to upload any video because I'm traveling for my brother's wedding. And let's meet direct on Monday. So till then, bye bye. Let's have a hope for a great day.